have these shoebies to protect your carpet from our nasty boots. We don't want to ruin anything that you have. That's why we wear this shoe protection. All this is for is to clean the grill on the return. You want to make sure that you have the system on, that way all the dust stick to that old filter. That's pretty much it. We like to use a temperature gun to shoot the return grill. Normally you're looking for about a 15 degrees temperature difference. Right now this is reading 65. So long as the supply is where it needs to be, then we know that the system's cooling properly. Turn the system off. You ready to move outside? We're trained to work inside these high voltage electrical systems, and what we like to do is check for any burnt electrical, and we also like to tighten down the contactor, because over time these screws will back out and that'll end up causing damage to the contactor, which will end up leaving you without any air conditioning. We don't want that. This is the blower wheel inside your air conditioning system, and we're trained to be able to take these out and clean them if need be. The reason that we would do that is because on the inside of these fins, a bunch of dirt will accumulate and build up on the side of them. And what that'll do over time is make your blower wheel not push as much air as it should be blowing out. When you won't be getting as efficient energy as you should be. They also have a capacitor in the back of here which stores energy and helps start the system. We always check the capacitor to make sure it's in the right percentage that it needs to be. Inside of this compartment is called the evaporator coil. And what that does is cools the air and pulls it through, and it goes to the blower wheel and back to the house. This evap coil will have a bunch of dust and dirt, whatever that goes to that return will build up on it, and that cuts down your airflow going through the system, which is going to choke down the unit, and it's going to cause you a bunch of problems. I'd say having this done is about as essential as changing the oil in your vehicle. Once we get done cleaning out the evap coil, it has a drain pan in the bottom of it. We'll use these chlorine tablets to put in the bottom. What that does is help keep that water clean, and it also helps keep that drain line from stopping up. We like to get all the leaves out of this condenser up top. That way it keeps the air flowing inside the condenser. Keeps all that air flowing good. You don't want to choke it down or anything like that. So we try to get all the debris and leaves, anything that's in there, we do the best we can to get it all out. This is the type of system that's called a package unit. And this pretty much has everything that any air conditioning system has, except for it's all on the outside. Some people have the air handler on the inside, in the attic, in the closet, or in the crawl space, and then the condenser on the outside. And this is basically the same thing, except for the condenser's on top. You have the blower wheel, which is in the air handler. The compressor, that's going to be inside of the condenser. And your HVAC coil, that's going to be inside the air handler. Any type of air conditioning system that you have, we can clean it. It doesn't matter what it is. I like to clean the outside and the inside of these grills, because as you can see, it has a bunch of dirt, leaves and stuff like that built up on it. And that way, once I clean that and put those back on, all that debris and material doesn't suck right back to the unit. This is the condensing coil, and all this dirt and debris that's built up on it, not only can it run up your energy bill, but it could also cause problems to the system not getting enough airflow through it, which in turn would end up causing your unit to have problems cutting its lifespan down. That's the reason this is a good plan, because the cleaner your unit is, the longer it'll run. So that's what we're about to do. As you can see already, the coil cleaner by itself is taking a bunch of the debris and dirt off of it. And what we're going to do to finish cleaning it is we take we use the water pressure to spray from the inside out, which will push all the dirt and debris off of that coil.